What's up, guys? Mattio here. Unboxing Monthly Knife Club. I assume the Onyx Plan. Benchmade freak, super freak, doing the unboxing today. It's going to be a slightly crippled video because I broke my freaking arm a little more than a week ago. Not really moving the best right now. All right. Excited to see what we got, though. Mantis knives. Let's take a look at the card. Of course. All right. Mantis knives, gearhead folding knife, GH 2024-2026. Okay, this month we're happy to bring you the gearhead folder from Mantis Knives, updated for 2020. All right, it is 440C stainless, gray anodized aluminum, 4 ounces, so it's not lightweight and it's not with the best steel. Total value $149.95 to $180, and these are numbers that you can find these knives for online. Total cost, I paid $119 plus shipping and handling, which was about $9, so looking at about $128 for this plan. I love the Onyx collection plan from Monthly Knife Club. It's just we'll have to see what this knife looks like. I'm not sure how I feel about all the stats yet. I mean, 440 is probably one of the lower quality steels we've seen them come out with for Monthly Knife Club. So, hey, it's not a bad steel. It's just not a super steel. I could still be in love with this knife when we see what she is. This is extremely hard with a broken arm. All right, come on. There we go. All right, got some great foam padding here. Oh, wow. It is thick as hell. I would never EDC this knife. Let's see. I don't even know how to deploy it. Okay. All right, it's I mean, it is what it is. You can see all the gearing in there. I'm just not sure if I would ever carry this knife. I mean, it's got a very cool opening mechanism. I mean, it goes out. It's cool. It's got a reverse tanto blade on it. Yeah. I mean, it's cool, but it's nothing I would ever carry. It's not only thick as hell, but it's heavy. I worry about stuff getting in all this gearing. Yeah, it's probably the only knife I've ever gotten from Monthly Knife Club that I've not been thrilled with. Check centering. Centering's good. It's just lopsided and gigantic. It's only got one position for blade clip. Sorry, for the pocket clip. Right hand carry, tip up. Yeah. Not a fan. I've got no idea why this would ever be $180 online. Just, I mean, yeah, it's a cool piece of mechanical knife, but In my opinion, it's not in the best blade steel. It's heavy as hell and awkward. You just never carry it. I mean, I don't see why there would be any reason other than to own this as a novelty knife. Yeah, so it's probably my first monthly knife club order that I've ever not been a fan with. I should be getting my level 2 name brand knife box soon. It's probably going to have a knife that I like in it more than my Onyx Plan, which is, this has just never happened. Still a little bit shocked. All right, folks. Have a good day. Mattio out.